Hello and welcome to Make Explore Art. Today I'll be showing you a range of techniques using oil pastels. So let's get started. Now if you've inherited oil pastels and you don't have a brand new set, always clean them before you first use them, and you can do that on a scrap piece of paper or in your sketchbook, just on a page that you're not using for your actual artwork. First of all, here's how not to use oil pastels. Don't apply them lightly to the surface of the paper. It only means then that you'll see the white of the paper underneath, and with this set of colours you can really achieve paint-like qualities, so why not have a go at that instead. Let's have a look at using them the right way. So first of all, I'm going to start with my lightest colour, building up to my darkest colour. I'll then go back and use that same light colour in between the colours so that I create that really nice even blended effect. And now I'll simply go back and use the same oil pastels to blend in between those straight lines so that it looks nice and even. So another blending technique is using a cotton bud or a piece of cotton wool, and you can do that between the two colours again, and you can make them nice and soft and even. Make sure that you use a new cotton bud for each new colour that you want to blend together. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Make Explore Art for more tips, tricks and tutorials, and see you next time.